Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianda and today we are styling this blonde wig. This is an outre sleek lay part called Joanna in the color 613. Although outre does have pre-plucked hairlines already, I like to just do a little extra work in making the hairline a bit thinner. So I'm going to take my tweezers and go in a downward motion, making sure not to focus on the same exact spot. So just keep moving around like little parts that aren't too close to each other. And the goal is to be given scalpiana. Now let's get some rest and apply this tomorrow. Good morning guys, I just popped the wig on and I'm kind of seeing the vision the more I keep wearing it. And along with this scream shirt, it's kind of giving me Chucky vibes, so low-key, I might go for some dark makeup today just to bring out the hair even more, and I'm getting excited for this look today. It's Friday also. Happy Friday. What are you guys' plans? Let me know in the comments. So now we're gonna apply her and see how we slay this.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 3 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5 days stay, take off for the meal, hella follow. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I had. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer bullshit off and what do you have?
So she is applied and I'm definitely excited to do the baby hairs now, which I've already done the sides as you guys can see. I don't start like right in the center. I kind of go a little bit over to the side and I basically do like a semicircle instead of it looking super straight across.
You got a flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here up to fly the sky. Heard me, it's ash ready to top my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than cancer.
So we have applied her, and I'm gonna be honest, guys. I do really like it. I do. I wish I did a center part. I was trying to do it to the side and for some reason it didn't stay. And yeah, it's like a...
Bust down. These hoes can't stand me.
it won't stay in the middle, so I kind of want to make it a side, but it's not shifted enough. I'm finally gonna take this off. This was just to lay and slay down the perimeter. I don't know how I'm gonna style her because I don't know if I like these waves. I feel like this isn't really giving the vibe.
Chief had a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me, this ass right the top of my ass. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and they never meet a swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the soil. Chrome heart accessories, whatever I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I just go after shit, bitch, reconnected and look at the key. Count off the millions and taste of my drugs. Just stuck in my memory, they want showing love. Ain't matching my fly, bitch, you know you a dub. Started this way, but now you ain't no bruh. Try to take him out and I'm back on the E. Flying commercial, she ain't hiding me.
So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below with some requests or just your thoughts to this video. Thanks for sticking around, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm begging. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I just go after shit, bitch, reconnected and look at the key.